Kitty Kitty. Where are you guys going? The garage? Where are you taking your kitty? What's her name? What's your kitty's name? Ga? Where are you going? You gonna put her down? Okay. Is she gonna run away? Oh, sweet kitty. Is she so heavy? She looks like she loves that. You love Kitty Kitty? Where are you going? Poor kitty. Okay, put Kitty down. Maybe you should put your kitty down?
No.
Oh, did you give her a kiss? Maybe your kitty wants to ride in the stroller. Put your kitty in the stroller?
Yay.
Okay. Good kitty. Uh-oh, she's trying to get down. She's going to scratch you.
No. Hey.
You don't want your kitty to get away? What if your kitty sits in your chair?
Ba.
Your chair on the porch? It's up here. Want kitty to sit in your chair? Your green chair.
Yay.
Okay. All right. Kitty gonna sit in your chair? Sit in your chair, kitty. Good job. Uh-oh. She ran away. She's not running very fast. Oh, you sweet to Gaga. You think Gaga loves you?
No. Bye-bye.
We're gonna let her go bye-bye? Okay, get down, Gaga. Go play. Let Gaga climb a tree. Cats like to climb trees. Oh. Okay, that's enough. Put her down. Put her down. Lily, that's enough chasing Gaga around. Put her down. There you go. That's nice. Thank you.